Recording, and what are you about to go on?
What?
What are you about to go on?
What do they call it? JetSki?
A JetSki.
A jet ski.
That'd be my first time in my whole life.
Wow.
I'll buy that.
You're gonna go on a jet ski.
I'm going on a JetSki.
On a jet Gigi.
Well, you know, it's always first time of everything.
Yeah.
We're gonna try.
Gigi, we're making a video.
I might like
Recording.
it so much, I might gonna rent it one.
Oh, you're gonna rent one in Pittsburgh?
Yeah, I'll buy that.
You wanna go on the river?
We're gonna go on the river.
No, we're gonna go on the lake.
No,
Yeah,
I said
when we go
if
home.
I like, I'm gonna get one to Pittsburgh.
Okay.
We're on the three lakes,
That
three
would
rivers.
be lovely. So this is a big lake, so there'll be lots of fun.
This is a very big lake.
JetSki.
Summer of 2017.
2017. Look at the sky. You see airplane.
Oh, wow.
It's coming down. There's lots of that water. Nice, cool.
Yes, it is.
That'd be nice to go in the lake. Could be a ride.
Oh, yes. This is a lot of fun, Noni.
Yeah, that is. That's very beautiful. So now I'm gonna go on top of that thing.
1 second, yep.
Oh my God.
That's what Noni's gonna go on.
That is nice. Very nice. Well, try everything. I'm gonna try if I like everything, right? Gigi's been at lots of. Yeah, okay, Gigi. What are you making that big of hot, Gigi?
The dog peed in the lake.
Oh, well, that's okay. There's a lot of water, right?
Oh, yeah.
There's lots of water, Gigi. It's gonna disappear.
All right.
Okay.
Who do you think I should give with the last one?
Make sure no one has a phone.
I know.
Yeah?
Who do you think I should give? Who do you think I should give for the last
All right, Noni.
The gas is good.
I see if here's no. Can I take my shoes off?
Yeah, take your shoes off.
Okay. There we go. Nothing. There goes nothing.
It's gonna be fun. You're gonna love it.
Ida's going on the jet ski right now. On home video.
Myers Lake.
This is live, people. Oh, happening right
This is
now.
not fake. This is not fake.
This is real life.
Yes.
We're gonna send this to all the family members.
We did not.
They're
Yes.
not gonna believe this.
What? This is Gigi talking right now, and I went on a jet ski. I went on
I got you.
this jet ski. And we're in the lake right now.
There you go. Put your leg over.
Okay. Noni's getting on the jet ski, G.
Yeah. There's Gracie right there.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let me back up.
Yeah, let's back
We're
up.
gonna get sprayed.
It's gonna get great.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
There goes Noni. Woo! There she goes. Whoa! Ida Chicketti's on a jet ski for the first time ever. Woo! There she goes. There goes Ida. There she goes. Wow. I think she's liking it. Let's see, can we get any closer? Yep, there she goes. It's a pretty big lake. Whoop, all the way down there. back around again. Summer 2017. And Noni actually went on a jet ski. I don't think anybody's going to believe this.
I don't think anybody's going to believe it.
I don't think so either, Gigi.
Well, comment down below.
Oh, here they come back.
If you like this video or whatever, a bit emoji or whatever, just let us know anything. You can write anything you want and subscribe. And comment down below. You could put any emoji to or like it. Our people,
This is amazing. Look at that.
Yo!
Oh, Noni's loving it. Woo! There's the family down there.
Yep. There's someone else. We can cut them out. We can cut that out. She can cut this off.
Check that out the bucket list.
Yes, she can.
Yes, we can.
This is going to be some story to tell everybody. So glad we got proof because I don't think anybody back home would believe us right now.
Parents. Oh, and by the way, I went on a jet ski too. So you might think I'm a little too little, but I'm 7 and that was fun.
How do you say little?
Little. Sometimes I say little.
Seven. 7.
87.
Oh, Noni is. Yeah, something like that. Should be coming back around again. This has been an amazing week at the lake. There's them over there. We'll get a video of everyone in a minute. Waiting on Noni now. I love the dock. Let's make Noni famous. There he comes. Here comes Ida. Wow, look at Noni go! Noni and Aunt Patty. Wow. And Gigi in the background. Got some people wiping out over there. Not Noni though. Noni and Patty are having so much fun. I don't know if you guys can see them. All the way down there.
No, she has something on her mouth.
Coming back around in a minute. Noni will be coming round the lake when she comes. I am! Oh, Kip, don't knock me over though. Woo! Yeah, I recorded the whole thing. I'm recording you. Noni, what do you think?
Alright, you did a great job, huh? Awesome. Okay. Alright. Which side? No. You go to my side or pick them up? Any side. I'm going to cut you off. I'm going to clean up a little bit farther here. Alright.
I'll try and balance it out.
You come this way or is that going to be kind of awkward? You want to go the other way? Thank you.
Be careful.
There you go. That's perfect.
Can you jump in now? Be careful.
I don't jump.
Use my arm to leverage if you need.
Okay, thank you so much.
Whoa!
Oh, look at you. That's so awesome.
Yeah, you did an awesome job. Yeah, I can't believe it.
What do you think, Noni? How would you describe that experience?
Beautiful. They were beautiful.
Big step. This was like way up there.
Ah, it's never too late, I guess.
Huh? Right.
Thank you
Great
so
job.
much.
You did
Thank
awesome,
you so
huh?
much. Thank you.
You did great.
How would you describe it, Noni?
Huh?
How would you describe your experience?
Oh my God, that was a real breath of wind. It was really exciting.
We gotta get your
I was
shoes.
hold on with Patty. I said, she was driving. I hold on to her. I didn't fall off. So everything went good. It was beautiful, beautiful,
Beautiful. Say hello to the family, Noni. Say hello to the family.
Beautiful, everybody. I went on top of the jets thing, you know?
Jet ski.
With-
Right off the
It
bucket
was
list.
wonderful. What a good experience, you know? After my age, 85 years old, I went on top of the river.
On the lake.
On the lake.
On the lake.
That was very good, beautiful. I liked it very much.
Love everybody.
Okay, I love you. I love you. We'll do it again some other
Do
time.
it again. Ciao.
Ciao.